Oh, I almost fell. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you guys a couple reasons why I think Elafonissi Beach in Crete, right next to Chania, is the best beach in Crete. Yeah, so a couple reasons why is it was pretty cheap to get to, but it was hard to get to from Chania. It was like 30 minutes to an hour bus ride. The bus wasn't too expensive, but the road was really windy, which made it a type of secluded beach. The scenery is really nice to get there. A lot of mountains, really steep. Also, an interesting thing is that we saw a bunch of goats climbing up and down the mountains, which is really cool as well. But yeah, this is our bus ride there. And like I said, Belos Beach is compared to Elafonissi Beach. It's like on an island. You kind of have to take like a little boat to get there. It was a little bit more expensive from Chania, about the same distance, but it was just a little bit more tedious to get to. And from the advice of many locals and sites, they said that Elafonissi was just better just because it's probably the same beach with the same type of water and environment, but it was just cheaper to get to and it was more convenient basically. Another reason why I like this beach is when we got there we noticed that it wasn't really touristy, there wasn't much shops. There's only one cafe which we got food at. It's where all the food is and the drinks, so you definitely will have to stock up here if you guys didn't bring water. Water is a must because it's really hot here. And this is the boardwalk to the beach. Yeah, it wasn't really crowded at all. A lot of people here are mostly locals, I feel like, or tourists, because there's like a bunch of cars there and just only a couple of buses because you gotta drive here. It's not on the main area. It's like surrounded by a bunch of mountains, which makes it pretty secluded and really nice beach. Yeah, I feel like this is one of the more crowded days and it wasn't too crowded. And these umbrellas, they sell them for a couple euros and you guys can get it. Definitely if you're sensitive to the sun, definitely recommend you guys do that. And this is my favorite part of the beach, where like it's just split and there's like a little lagoon with just crystal clear waters to the right. It's a little bit more shallow, it's where all the kids hang out, but yeah, it's really cool how the beach was split. And yeah, the water is just crystal clear. As you can see, it's just a really beautiful beach, really just picturesque. There's like a bunch of rocks where you guys can hike around, white rocks where you guys can climb and take pictures. Yeah, definitely really nice beach. The water was just crystal clear, blue, white sand. Yeah, it was just paradise. So just enjoy and just look at the beach. It's just beautiful. But for sure, the weather is really nice. The skies was clear. I feel like it's like this year-round, but it was really hot, but it made it really good to swim in because the water was really cool. The further you got, the cooler it was. It gets pretty deep back there too. It's a family-friendly beach because it's not too shallow in the front, but if you guys want a good swim, you guys can come out there. Also, it's nude-friendly, so there's like some nude people on the beach. So if you guys don't want to do that, then don't come here. But yeah, the weather's really nice. Definitely complimented the cold water. It was really dry, intense heat here. Like I said, if you're sensitive to the sun, definitely wear a lot of sunblock or get an umbrella because it was definitely needed. You probably can't tell from this video, but it was really, really hot there. Just the Greek sun is really powerful. Also, another reason why I love this beach is because it's unique pink sand. In different seasons, the sand gets more pink and more colorful than other times of the season. You judge by this video. I don't know if you guys can see the pink. I definitely could see it while I was there, but I don't know if it shows up really good in this video. But yeah, all along the beach and the water are just pink sand, and it just looked really cool in photos, and it was really beautiful. Yeah, overall, it's one of my favorite beaches in Crete, Greece. Probably one of my favorite beaches in the world. It was really relaxing. It was paradise in my opinion, and it's just really nice. And if you guys like this video, please like it, comment on some tips from me, what you liked, if you guys can compare this to other beaches, and subscribe to see more content from me. Thanks.